version. I've already opened a notepad, and this is where I have my prompt ready. The prompt simply asks for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript coding in one file for a 3D effect button, with a hover animation, an animated border that goes from 0 to 100% around the button, and a click effect. I'm keeping the prompt exactly the same for every AI. First, let's start with ChatGPT. I'm copying the prompt from Notepad. Now I'm opening ChatGPT and pasting the prompt. And I'm clicking OK. ChatGPT is now generating the code. You can see that it's creating the HTML structure, the CSS for the design and animations, and the JavaScript for the interaction. The nice thing about asking for everything in one file is that I don't need to create separate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files for this test. Everything can stay together, and now the code is ready. Let's copy it and open the preview. And here is the ChatGPT result. We have the button in the center, the 3D effect appears when I move the mouse over it, and we also have the animated border. Now let's click it, and there's the click effect. So that's our first result. ChatGPT has completed the challenge. But we're not choosing a winner yet. We still have 3 more AI tools to test. Next up is Gemini. I'm taking the exact same prompt from Notepad again. I'm opening Gemini, pasting the prompt, and clicking OK. And now Gemini is generating its version of the button. Again, I'm not changing anything. The same prompt, the same requirements, the same challenge. Once the code is ready, I'm going to open the preview and see what Gemini has created. And here we go. This is the Gemini result. At first glance, it has a different look from the ChatGPT version. Now let's move the mouse over the button. You can see the hover effect in the animated border. And now let's click it. The interaction works, and we have another complete result. So now we have 2 contestants. ChatGPT versus Gemini. But we're only halfway through. Next, I'm going to test Meta AI. I'm copying the same prompt one more time. I'm opening Meta AI, pasting the prompt, and clicking OK. Now let's wait and see what it creates. Meta AI is generating the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the same 3D button challenge. And the code is ready. Let's open the preview. Here is the Meta AI result. Now I'm testing the hover effect. The button responds to the mouse movement, and we can see the animated border around it. And now let's click the button. There's the click interaction, so Meta AI has completed the challenge as well. Now we have 3 different results from 3 different AI tools. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Meta AI, but there's still one more contestant. And this one is Claude. So, once again, I'm going back to my notepad. I'm copying the exact same prompt. Now